All right, let's look at part B. And for part B, we have a slightly more complicated problem. We have 3x minus 7 equals 2x plus 4. So now we have an x term on both sides of this equation, right? We have 2x over here, and we have 3x over here. So what we want to do is just get all of the x terms on one side of the equation. And again, we can use the addition principle of equality to do that. Right? And if we add negative 2x to both sides of this equation, right, you would have 3x plus negative 2x, okay? And then minus 7, you could write plus negative 7 if you want. And then equals, now we added negative 2x to the left side of this equation. Let's do that to the right side of the equation. So 2x plus negative 2x, and then plus 4. Okay? Now, what's going to happen is on the right side of this equation, 2x plus negative 2x is 0. Right? So that's gone. So now all your x terms are on the left side over here. Okay, so when you simplify the left side, 3x plus negative 2x, well, that's just x, and then plus negative 7, and this is equal to 4. Okay? Now, what we want to do next, remember, we want to get the x variable by itself. And we have this negative 7 that's being added to x. So remember the additive inverse property, right? You add a number and its opposite, and you get 0. So to get rid of negative 7 from the left side of the equation, we're going to add the opposite of negative 7 to the left side of the equation. So we'll have x plus negative 7 plus 7, right? Negative 7 and 7 are opposites. And now because I added 7 to the left side of the equation, I want to also add 7 to the right side of the equation. So I'll have 4 plus 7. Okay, now when I simplify this, negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So now the left side is just x, right? And that's exactly what I want. And then on the right side, I have 4 plus 7, and that's equal to 11. Okay, so now I have my solution, and that's x equals 11. But I'm not done because I always want to check to make sure that I got the right answer. So that means I'm going to plug in an 11 here and here, and we're going to make sure that the left and the right side are equal. So this is 3 times 11, and then minus 7, and that should be equal to 2 times 11, and then plus 4. And just so I don't have to keep scrolling back up and down, I'm just going to rewrite the original equation right here. It was 3x minus 7 equals 2x plus 4. Okay? And we just plugged in an 11 here, right? And then we plugged in an 11 here. All right, so let's simplify this now. On the left side here, you want to multiply before you subtract. 3 times 11 is 33, so this would be 33 minus 7. On the right side, you want to multiply before you add. 2 times 11 is 22, then plus 4. Okay, and now 33 minus 7 would be 26. Right? And then 22 plus 4 is also 26. So the left and the right side are equal, and we can say that our solution x equals 11 is correct.